Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad link sharing not working issues in 2026. So if your shared link is not opening, other users can't access your document, or permissions are not working correctly, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure you're copying the correct share link. A small mistake or incomplete link can prevent others from accessing your document. Next, check your internet connection and ensure it is stable. Poor connectivity can interrupt link generation and sharing features. Now verify the sharing permissions of your document. Make sure the link is set to allow access for other users and not restricted to private mode. Next, try generating a new share link and send it again. Sometimes old or expired links may stop working properly. Now open the link in an incognito window or a different browser to test whether it works for external users. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with sharing and access permissions. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers and privacy tools can sometimes block shared content from loading. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version for best compatibility with CryptPad features. Now sign out and sign back into your account to refresh sharing settings and permissions. Finally, if the issue continues, recreate the document and generate a fresh sharing link before testing again. And that's it, you've successfully fixed CryptPad link sharing not working issues. Now your shared links should open and work properly for everyone. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Hey everyone!